Thale and you're watching me on Teletalk India on Zoom.
Okay, so welcome back, Meera ma'am, here on our Teletalk. Firstly, हम जानना चाहते हैं कि आपका साल 2021 कैसा रहा and how would you like to sum up your journey in 2021?
It was quite boring and it was actually a little unpredictable. It was fun, it was boring. The last part of the year was quite boring, but other than that, I had some fun moments also. My brother came to meet me after 4 years. He lives in Canada, he's working there, so I think that was a good period for me. And yeah, so I've like had like ups and downs in 2021.
With the year 2021 going and 2022 coming in, and also Omicron virus coming in as well, how are you expecting 2022 to be going on, or what kind of situation are you thinking that might be possible?
See, honestly, I just saw the news today and it says 600 cases have been reported, so it's not nice at all. And I think this is the period where everybody wants to go out, have some fun, and नया साल मनाना है सबको. हो सकता है आप मेरे भी पोस्ट देखें कि मैं मना रही हूँ, बट अदर देन दैट, yeah, it's not that amazing for us to step out. I think सबने अपने guards down कर लिए हैं. मेरी एक्चुअली 2022 के लिए होप्स है कि प्लीज़ मतलब अब इससे ज़्यादा कुछ मत लाना, बिकॉज आई थिंक वी ऑल हैव हैड इनफ. वी डिजर्व some good times.
वैसे इसी से रिलेटेड मेरा एक और सवाल था कि अब फाइनली फिल्म थिएटर में देखना हम शुरू कर पाए हैं फाइनली आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. एनी फिल्म दैट यू आर रिसेंटली इंटरेस्टेड टू वॉच एंड वेरी ईगर टू?
I didn't go to the theaters at all to watch any of the films. I was keen on watching Suryavanshi, but that got released on Netflix, so then I watched it on Netflix. And what I'm really keen on watching is the Spider-Man, but I don't think I'll go. I'll wait कि वो कोई digital platform पे आए और फिर मैं देखूँ. ऐसी कोई मुझे जल्दी नहीं है कि मैं लोगों के बीच में जाके देखूँ. Brunch with my girlfriends a few days back, and I have another friend coming tomorrow and I'm going to एक Christmas brunch या ऐसा कुछ तो बनता है, so I think I'll do that. And भले मैं माउंट मैरी उतर के ना जाऊँ, but मैं definitely एक चक्कर मारूंगी in my car. And yeah, basics.
Christmas is mostly about gifts and everything. So ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपने बचपन में अपना वो शौक है वो रखा हुआ है and you were expecting some gift और कुछ मिला हो, like very special something that you remember?
I studied in a convent, so the spirit of Christmas is very much alive in me. I have seen proper, how all the Christians go and sing carols, घर से घर, the plum cakes and church में prayers. हमारे स्कूल में सेलिब्रेशन होता था अलग से, तो that has been a very fun time for me. And at home I used to, भले एक पेंसिल भी दूँ, पर मैं अपने भाई के पिलो के नीचे कुछ तो भी ऐसे गिफ्ट रैप करके ना रख देती थी. और उसको आज तक नहीं समझ आया कि उसको अपनी बहन को कुछ देना चाहिए, तो उसने नहीं दिया मुझे. बट मैं I've been his Santa. Yeah.
क्रिसमस के खाना मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस होता है. You being a foodie, we definitely know कि आप क्या ग्रैब कर रहे हैं इस बार क्रिसमस में. Any special delicacies?
The plum cake, and वो तो must है ही. For me actually being a foodie and मेरी delicacies बहुत ऐसे हैं कि चाट खाई जाए या ऐसे कुछ it's not related to Christmas anyway. So cookies, muffins, cakes होंगे. उसके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं.
Okay. But any 3 gifts that you would want Santa to give you, like a secret Santa?
Am I supposed to tell you what gifts I want? Okay, something that I can say and I really want is to do good work, and that has been always my it's been top of my list, and I want to be back on screen very soon. During 2021, I had been really unwell, and because of which, I had to wait a lot. There were a couple of good opportunities that slipped off because I was not in a condition to sign and all of that. So I would wish for good health as well. I mean, good health to nahi, but good immunity and all that. So that, and just happiness for all of you all.
New Year's भी आ रहे हैं. Any New Year plans that you have? Are you traveling or doing something?
No, I'm not traveling because it's not safe to travel anywhere, and I'm going to be at home only. Hopefully, I'll have my friends over or something. पर जो भी होगा घर पे होगा. Nothing stepping out.
वैसे I know कि आपके काफी सारे fans हैं जो बहुत जल्द आपको कहेंगे कि यार आप please screen पे आ जाइए. Any plans that you are having recently?
I've given a couple of auditions and I'm in talks, but abhi tak nothing has got materialized. So I'm hoping ki hopefully 2022 will be a good year for me, and I'll be doing something amazing.
वैसे OTT and all काफी ज़्यादा आजकल hype चल रहा है. People are actually trying to get into OTT movies
Yeah.
and all. Any recent shows that you watched and you were like कि यार इसमें तो मुझे होना चाहिए था?
I watched Decoupled a couple of days back, and it was really nice. It was fun. It was good content. अच्छा लगा मुझे, and I've been R Madhavan fan for sure. So yeah, that was nice. ऐसे कुछ अगर करने मिलेगा तो why not? It will be a good opportunity to work on something like this. Not decoupled, but a good content story or something of that sorts.
Any character from all the series that you've watched so far जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये character तो मैं perfectly बहुत अच्छे से करती.
Okay, I am a big fan of Suits, and I love Harvey and Donna. So, I mean, I would love to play Donna if I ever get a chance to play Donna. Yeah.
Okay. And apart from that, television serials आजकल इतने सारे आ रहे हैं. There are so many good content also coming in. Any series that you feel कि यार बहुत अच्छा करी and you feel कि थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा है उनको backstep किया जा रहा है. Sorry,
Backstep क्या? Ratings wise.
हाँ.
यार मैं honestly इतना TV नहीं देख रही. There are a couple of shows जो मैं ऐसे channel change करते हुए देखती हूँ. अनुपमा कभी देख लिया, या फिर ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है देख लिया. The best part about Ye Rishta is that it's been on for so many years, and even then they have this certain freshness, certain beauty and certain attraction. And although I'm a person who likes watching OTT content and stuff, I would still enjoy watching that perfect blend of a dream sequence and a song, and the couple being away from each other and all of that. So that's fun to watch, and I want to say hats off to the producer for pulling it off so well. And और तो कोई नहीं देखा मैंने honestly.
Okay. बात करें अगर Big Boss की, आप Big Boss follow करो, and who are you supporting this time?
I was liking Karan and Tejasvi initially in the first few weeks. उसके बाद I don't know, I feel I can't actually really place a finger. Sometimes in some episodes I really like Prateek, and in some episodes I really like Tejasvi. So yeah.
आजकल ये रूमर्स चल रहे हैं कि शायद देवलीना और प्रतीक का कुछ चल रहा है, उसमें अभिजीत सर उसमें कुछ तो भी डाल रहे हैं. क्या लगता है, क्या इंटरेस्टिंग है या फनी है या क्या है?
मुझे नहीं पता किसका क्या चल रहा है. हाँ, definitely I've seen the episode, but I don't know. I mean, who am I to say anything किसका क्या चल रहा है and all that.
Viewer, as a viewer, कैसा लग रहा है वो देखने में? as a visually कैसा लग रहा है? फनी लग रहा है, इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, या ऐसे ही लग रहा है कि बस वो लोग करने के लिए कर रहे हैं?
I really, but honestly, I'll tell you, जो couple formations होते हैं in the Big Boss house, I don't really believe कि कि ये couple है. जब तक वो बाहर आते हैं और वो रिलेशनशिप सस्टेन करके दिखाते हैं, तो मैं बहुत ऐसे कैजुअली देखती हूँ. That one couple that I really liked was Sidnaz, and they were, मतलब I still, if I want to see ऐसे कुछ Big Boss couples or something, I would watch them. So that's what it is for me. Yeah.
The most interesting character in Big Boss at the moment for you?
Rakhi Sawant, she's entertaining. Yeah, she's fun. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Please stay safe and please stay home और घर पे पार्टी करना.